I blessed love it tonight, man Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to DJ SWICKED vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down. It's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See
Fire burner we got.
Yes, my beautiful people, as I can see, something just going on there, people. You know, some scratch, one kind of scratch cocoa still. I tell you, peeps, it was really hot, you know. I have to run. Me even know if I don't get catch on the camera running, people. I tell you, morning the papa. Yeah, man. So peeps, I tell you, me just wash out my eyes still and thing. I put me a soak some a busy leaf, you know, for drop tonight. So hopefully I can drop that tonight. It's a little warm remedy, you know. Yeah, man. Peeps, me just get up out of my bed and tell myself, so, you know, say I want to get a skiller going. You know, but the devil try to intervene, people, but that can't stop it, you know. I have to make this successful for the day. I have to make it done, people. You see me, I kind of have a little burning night still. All up here, so burning. So I can't wait for the, you know, it have a burn and a little scratching tonight. So I want to see if I can get the busy something for dropping night and see how it work out, people. But I need to get it going, you know. Yeah, man. So people, me out here I try do it. You know, try stay active and do it right. You see it? Yeah, man. That is it. Slippers I get muddy, peeps. Get slidey. Peeps, me I go organize that so and then we make the baby right here. So stay tuned for that. Oh shit. Be careful when I'm stepping up, peeps. Give me love. Yes, peeps, as I can see the cool skill going on, very fine, you know, very fine. But right now I'm about to make up the baby down in this and done away with down in this. You see it, peeps? So stay tuned. I'm gonna make my stepson video. I do that little piece of work there, you know. So stay tuned, peeps. Baby that me am making up, peeps. Cut up a portion of dry stick. And arrange up a baby settings. You know, someone who first you know see that kind of baby, but you do is a lay down skill. I try pack it so whenever I put the baby in it. This is the baby, peeps. Can't bust it in a two. Time big enough. All 3 years in. So this easy to catch. So you just turn it like that. Turn it like that. You see it, peeps? Yeah, man. So whenever fire explore underneath there, you know, say that easy catch. You know, less than 5 minutes. That catch and fire blazing, you know. Yes, man. So all me have to do now, I keep packing as much dry stick as possible. Pack it where some of them go over even in a way. Pack already, you try forget it where it can go over inside here. And you try pack it where you can catch the whole thing. So peeps, I'm here doing my best. First doing this lay down skill, but me do the round one already, stand up one. So for me build the stand up one, me know me can build this one. So that's what I'm doing, people. So even if it not look as though you guys looking for it to be, yeah man, I'm my first one this. Nobody never teach me to make this one. I just like see a virgin make it already and I say me I try. So peeps, stay tuned. I hope you guys love it. And think I have to full out the whole of here. Make certain say dry stick go over both sides as well. And then there I know say yes. I done with it, I can just continue with green stick, you know. So peeps, that is it. Yes man. Peeps. Yeah man, is a great look, you know. Yeah man, a great look, peeps. I want to tell you, say, when me there finalize it, I couldn't get the video because you notice a lot of water still circle all about there. So you know, so beer weather, peeps, beer weather. Yeah man, but it's a vibe, you know. So I see what I can do to it today. Peeps, I can't back me down and, you know, bushy man do what I do. I could have cut a couple more small stick for put in some place, but right now peeps till I shoot. I just bush more and bush it as I can see. I have some grass there, so and I cut a little portion up on the road there. And so more I get to work and start bushing, you know. But as I can see, it's a nice size skin. No joke. I not even have a button it around it, but I have to find a way button it around today too. I have to do as best as we can on it today. You know. Because from the other day, be a rain. Yeah man, as I can look on the dirt, I can see say, and the dirt beat out. But yeah man, I have to say, I have a portion of dirt I go dig for chew up on it. But that at least people. And I just want to get it bush. And I don't bush it now, I just start dirt. Bat it round and start dirt. So stay tuned for that, you know. But as I can see, peeps, no joke, man. Activity, alright, you see. Enjoy and happiness, and can do something and feel good in yourself. So that is it for now. Catch me when me push it, and dirt it, and light it, you know.
You hear me? Raz Vital, don't. Out there I represent to the fullest for DJ SWICKED vlogs, you know. Real life something done. And the bodies mix them so. Make sure you go over our channel and check out that something there. You don't know. No regrets, not did it. Up full, Raz Vital. Aye.